And see, you remember when they cut all of that back? And it's all growing back. I don't even know why they did that. They're really not taking care of this place. It took several complaints for me getting in touch with the city before they even cut over here. Lucy! I hope they just stayed in the woods. See? Like all those weeds they grew up there. I don't know why they didn't cut them back. And all that grass there. I don't know. Lucy! I'm gonna go over there and see if the food is there. Lucy! Olivia! Poor things, I know they had to be scared last night. I don't know. You can see the shelters there, but I don't know if they're using them. Can only hope they are. Lucy! Olivia! Louie! Kitties! Let me go over there. The food bowls are still there. They didn't blow away. I'm surprised. Alright, here's Lucy. I was so worried about you. Yeah. It looks like... I know. I was so worried about you, baby. I'm so glad to see you. Where is Olivia? And Louie and the gray kitty. I really don't think Snowy is still with us, y'all, because I haven't seen her in a couple of months. I really don't. I don't know. I know, it was scary weather and I was so worried about you. I'm so glad you're okay, baby. I know. It was scary weather. I'm going to put the food down. Okay. Well, it looks like all the wet food got ate. And it looks like some of the wet food was still kind of soggy in there, but looks like they got to eat before it got too bad. Where's Olivia? Huh? Where's Olivia? I'm so glad to see you. Oh my goodness, I was so worried. Where's the rest of them? Olivia, Louie, gray kitty. Yeah, I stopped putting it over here because I can reach through the fence there when sometimes I just don't, most of the time I don't feel like walking around here. So at night, when there's nobody around, I put it through the fence. And it's not on the property that way. Right, Lucy? Right, Lucy? Let's go over here, Lucy. Where is all the kitties? Where's all the kitties, Lucy? Huh? Lucy? Lucy? Where's all the kitties, Lucy? Lucy? What you doing, Lucy? I'm so glad you're okay. Now I need to see the other ones. What you doing, Lucy? Watch, she'll get my shoe. You're gonna get my shoe. You're gonna get my shoe. Get my shoe, get my shoe, get my shoe. Oh my goodness. That was scary yesterday, huh? Alright, well, if she's okay, then the others should be okay. I don't see the kitten anywhere. I've looked. Right, Lucy? Right, Lucy? Lucy? What you doing, Lucy? Lucy, I'm gonna get dizzy doing that. What you doing, Lucy? Where's the other babies? Where's the other kitties? Yeah. My kitty, my Lucy, I'm so happy you're okay. You don't know how worried I was. Well, Louie, he goes to other people's houses, so I'm hoping that somebody let him come inside. Here comes a kitty way down there. Is that Olivia? Olivia! That's Olivia, I think. Olivia, come on! Is that Olivia? Oh, I'm gonna get your shoe. I'm gonna get your shoe. You don't call Olivia. Olivia! I think that's Olivia way down there. Come on, Olivia! Lucy. Lucy! Come on, kitty, kitty! Come on! I think that's Olivia. Is that Olivia? What? You're such a fast. She'll attack my shoe. You can attack my shoe. Yeah. Olivia! Come on, kitty! Are you still going to attack my shoe? I'm going to call her. I'm going to call her. Let me see. What is that on my shoe? Oh, it's one of those spurs that hurt. You're so funny. Let's go down there and see if that's Olivia. I can't tell. My eyesight's not that great, so. Come on, kitty, kitty. Keeps running the more I get near it, so. And then, look who's following me. Lucy. Yes, Lucy. I know, but can I go down there by myself to see without you following? Oh, come on, kitty, kitty. Lucy. You know who else used to do this? Lily. Followed me everywhere I went. I hear a bullfrog. Come on, kitty, kitty. It's looking at me. Thinking if it was Olivia, she would come on because she knows my... What the heck? That's a big frog. It sounds like a big frog. Okay, I'm moving away from here because that sounds like... Wow, I don't know. Lucy! Okay, Lucy. It's getting dark. It gets dark so darn early now. Let's go. Let's go. You go eat, okay? She's such a funny girl. Okay. You can barely see now. She's gonna go eat. And there's Olivia. Hi, Olivia. It's dark. Hey, Olivia.